Hello, this video is about combining like terms, and so you can see the original set up here. I'm going to pause and restart a couple times today. So my first step was to identify what would go together, and so I've color-coded here. These are constants, and they're going to combine, and these are my x terms, they are going to combine. Also notice that when I look at a symbol like addition, it's going to be partnered with what is after. This subtraction is going to be partnered with what is after. So we're going to think of this as negative 9x. Next, we have the tape diagram, and remember that this is rectangles. Solid is for positive and dotted for negative. And we have one rectangle for each term. Simplify is when you combine your like terms. So if you notice, these are like terms that combine to give me negative 3x. And these outer ones were combined to give me negative 6. It can help you to think about your sign rules in money as we're doing this. This is two debts, and that's why they were added together and represented with the negative. Here, it's some money and a debt. I still end up behind, so that's why it's negative 3x. My second tape diagram only has two rectangles because there are two terms. Notice that they're both dotted because both terms are negative. We'll look at a second example as well. I picked this second example to review a couple of ideas. Please remember that some terms are lonely, that they don't get to combine with anything. So we will see that in this one. And please also remember the idea of the understood one. So if you look at how I group things, we are going to have two x terms that are going to combine, and the understood one is on the second one. And then the idea of the term that's lonely, that is not going to combine with anything, that is what's going to happen for the 7. If you take a look at the tape diagram, it has only 3 rectangles because there are 3 terms. The first 2 are solid because they're positive terms, and the last one is dotted. When I combine like terms, if you look here, I have $5 and I'm going to spend 1, so I'm left with 4, and it's 4x. This is an x term. When you draw your tape diagram, please remember positive are solid rectangles, and writing the plus sign is optional. If that helps you visually remember the signs, then go for it. I recommend it so that you have that reminder about the sign within the diagram. There we go. I'm going to post this one up. Take care. Thinking of you all. Be well.